Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating the ad process. Make sure your NOL card details are accessible. Open the Wallet app, tap the plus sign, and choose to add a transit card. You do this because Wallet needs the card ID to link balances and travel permissions. Once Wallet prompts, select Dubai Metro or NOL Transit option, then enter the card number or scan the QR/NFC if available. This starts the secure pairing that lets Apple Wallet read travel fares. You now verify and link the card so Apple Wallet can charge fares and show balances. After entering or scanning the card, read and accept the transit terms. This authorizes fare usage and balance transfers. Choose whether to transfer the existing balance into Wallet or retain it on the physical card. Each option affects refunds and top-up flow. When prompted, complete identity verification via SMS or in-app confirmation. This step secures the card to your Apple ID and prevents unauthorized. Finish by activating and testing the card so you can tap quickly at gates. Enable express travel for the Dubai Metro card to avoid unlocking your phone, then add funds through Wallet or the NOL app and confirm the balance displays. If you see errors, make sure the iPhone has current iOS, restart the device and retry scanning the card. This often clears NFC hiccups. If still blocked, remove partial entry and re-add the card. Contacting NOL support is the final step if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.